Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin a reel on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, if you go to your posts, you'll see this Reels tab, and then just go to that. All your reels will be compiled under that tab. And as you can see, I only have one. So if you want to pin a reel, just long press that reel and then select pin to your reels. There will be a pin icon at the top right of the thumbnail of your reel, and that indicates that your reel will be now constantly at the top of your reels page. So that's how you can easily pin your reel on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!